Today we'll be making creamed managu, also known as the nightshade or the African nightshade. And you're going to need 2 bunches of managu. And if you can't find managu in the place where you live, you can also use spinach. So we are going to pluck the leaves as usual. And if you've seen my previous video on how to make traditional vegetables, I like to pluck the leaves with a little bit of the stalk, because that's how I love it. So if you don't like seeing stalks in your in your food, then you can just pluck the leaves. So we're going to clean them thoroughly, and I normally repeat this at least 3 times, and then we're going to steam our veggies for around 3 minutes. So just place them on the gas top and let them steam. So after 3 minutes, our vegetables are ready. So I'm going to drain the excess water, and then I'm going to set it aside just to allow the veggies to cool down. So next I'm going to chop my vegetables. So I just used 1 small onion, but if you can find spring onions, I'll definitely recommend using those ones. So once you're done chopping your veggies, we're just going to set that aside. So the next thing, I'm going to place a pan, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. If you don't have butter, you can use margarine. Then the next thing, I'm going to go in with 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and I'm going to just toss in my veggies, that is the onion, the garlic, and the tomatoes. So the next thing I'm going to add is half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to mix everything together, and we're going to cover this up and allow the tomatoes to cook for 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'll be chopping my vegetables. So I just find this method easier rather than to chop them before you steam them up. So just give them a rough chop. And then the next thing, we're going to check up on our tomatoes. As you can see, they're nice and soft, so I'm just going to mash them up. And then the next thing I'm going to add is 1/3 cup of coconut cream. If you don't like coconut cream, you can use heavy cream. So let's go in with our vegetables, and then we're going to mix everything together, and we're going to cover this up for just an extra 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, our vegetables are ready. This is just how my mom used to make our vegetables growing up. And yeah, we were a household that just loved having vegetables. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, let's cook, eat, and enjoy.